Hi you guys, we're going to do a review for this baby changing area where comes with a little bag for you to carry either wipes and extra diapers. And then it has a support for the baby's head that can be attached. As you can see, it has some buttons here and it's attached on this end in order for it to hold the baby. So you can put it like this. You can put the baby's head here. And this can be a portable area. You can use it as a changing table addition that you can carry with you in your baby bag. Or you can use this in a shower in order for the babies to take a shower. And it has a protective hair cover. And it's very soft. So we're going to show you in the perspective of putting the baby on this changing table.
Su papá, mira.
Aquí está, Daddy. Aquí está,
Put this
Daddy.
around the head?
No, this doesn't go on the head. This goes right here.
Oh.
It goes button up right here.